Hello, and welcome to Show Me Cables. Today we'll be taking a look at quarter-inch cables. This is the Pro Audio quarter-inch stereo cable. The quarter-inch connector looks similar to the other widely used 3.5mm connector or 1/8 inch connector. But the quarter-inch is typically found on more professional level audio equipment, whereas the 3.5mm or 1/8 inch is usually on more home user equipment. Just remember, quarter-inch is the larger connector and 3.5mm is the smaller connector. We offer male-to-male cables from 1.5 feet to 50 feet, and male-to-female from 6 feet to 100 feet. Our cables are balanced to ensure signal integrity and prevent hum. The cables are made using nickel-plated connectors, 22-gauge twisted pair conductors, and high-quality shielding to provide superior audio clarity and fidelity. Whether you just need a short cable to plug in your headphones, or if you need to wire up an entire event, Show Me Cables has you covered. If you still have any questions, you can give our customer service department a call at 888-519-9505. For all of your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.